Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this lovely Citroen C3 Picasso. So this car comes with a large panoramic glass roof. You also get 17-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Now inside the car you've got the CD player, there's also dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. It's done under 10,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.